back with another video. Today, this is episode 2 of the drift build, and I'm going to take out most of the wiring. Like last video, I said I was going to take out the dash. I didn't really take out the whole dash because it was so much, and it was so hot. It's so hot right now, and if you wonder why I have my hoodie, why it's so hot, it's mosquitoes everywhere, and if I wear a shirt, it's going to be all on my arms. I ran out of off spray, so I'm just have to be hot. I got shorts on though, but they still tear my legs out. I'm finna go put some pants on if they get too serious. Well, I might just go buy some more off spray though. So I already started yesterday when the sun went down, but my phone's dead and I couldn't record everything, so yeah. Now I'm gonna start in the engine bay. I started taking a little bit of stuff off, like stuff off the fuses and stuff like that. Just regular stuff. Then after that, I moved to the inside. Take the inside electronics. I hate electronics. It's stupid. I really hate it. So I'm gonna try to, when I rewire it, I'm gonna try to do it to where there's not as much electronics. Like I might just have like electric steering, which this car has electric steering instead of power steering. So all I gotta do is cut the key on to on position, and then I have fast steering, whatever, easy steering, whatever you call it. I don't know what else I really need. That's really all I need for electronics. Like obviously start and fans and water pump and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm not really gonna use that much stuff. Just the electronics. These mosquitoes are everywhere. But better set you guys up in a different angle so you can see me good. And yeah. Alright, so this is the progress so far. I took that big old airbox off, took the hood off, took the front bumper off. I'm gonna take this battery out too so I can get up in there too, get all those wires out. I started taking this, actually I took this off yesterday, and when you're taking wires off, just label it. Just get a piece of tape, wrap it around there, and just label it. Just for the airbox, map sensor, and this is for something else, I forgot what it was. This looks like the fuel pump. I don't know, because I know Bosch makes fuel pumps. I think that's the name, Bosch or whatever like that. But I'm gonna just put fuel pump. Actually, I just put beside left strut, which is right here, and they just go right here. It's the closest thing to the left strut, so that's why I just put that right there. And I got this big old fat thing of wires. Gotta disconnect the headlights, so I gotta take those out. Took the fuel, I mean not fuel, but the fuses apart, or out the little fuse box thing. All of these electronics, I'm not gonna be using all that. Radiator and fans, cooling overflow tank. That goes to the airbox, I suppose. Yeah, that goes to the airbox. Well, it has two inlets. So I didn't know where the computer was because I'm totally new to rotaries. Rotary type of engine, actually. If you didn't know that, it's a rare engine. Only Mazda made the engine. They don't make them anymore. Found the computer, ECU, PCM, whatever, power control module, anything you want to call it. I found it. This is my worst enemy right here. I hate computers. I really don't want to use this, but I'm really deciding if I should use this engine or not, or use a 5.3. I don't know. I really just want to get this motor started though, just so I can accomplish that. I think I got to get the computer flash though, get that anti-theft system flash out the computer, and then I can do that. But I'm gonna take this out and get back to you guys in a second. I wish you guys knew how long this actually takes taking out a computer. This took forever, and then it took me forever to get this out of the box. This is why I don't like this. This is why. I'm gonna go back there, take that off of the, I think it's the engine harness, something like that. Or actually I think I might just leave this right here, because I'm not messing with the engine right now. I might, depends on how I'm feeling, I don't know. This seems like it goes to that, so I'm gonna have to take this off. Hopefully I don't have to take out no hoses, so no coolant will come out. And take these off the fans. And yeah, just keep going. This is so tiring. This is so tiring. Especially come doing this by myself. It's taking so long. And my friends are working right now. So I gotta do it myself. I got all that out. The whole side of that fender. I got all that electrical out. Everything. All this is out. Fans, all that out. I just gotta get like the grounds off and stuff like that. Headlights, simple stuff. It's simple stuff, but it's not simple to take it off though. All these freaking plastic clips and stuff like that, I hate that. I'd rather just be doing, I'd rather be undoing bolts and stuff like that than doing this. Sweating really bad. Mosquitoes aren't that bad as I thought they were gonna be today, but this is taking forever. This is so much electrical. I don't think I'm gonna be using this motor. This is so much. I'm gonna just use it. I might just use the 5.3, make my own harness for it. Simple as that. Call it a day. But this thing, oh my gosh, this thing is so much. I really want to take the fenders off and stuff like that, but it's gonna be so much stuff. You know, I don't feel like doing all that. It's too hot. Cut this whole thing out. Alright, so you guys just see me take the whole engine harness out. Everything. Everything's out. Everything is just like tied up together or something like that. Everything's out. Everything is labeled. All I did was just put a little piece of tape on it. This is our coolant tank, coolant sensor, short ground, second air box, something to the second air box, something like that. Whatever I wrote, I understood. That goes to the fuse box. These things connect to the fuse box is what I'm saying. ECU, and then whatever that is, disconnected those. But I am gonna connect that back to these just so I don't mix them up, because I'm not good with electrical, and I might sell this, I might use it, I don't know. Still not sure what I want to do yet, but I know it's out though. So that being said, next video is gonna be taking all the wires up under the dash, stuff like that. Mostly everything is like unclipped and stuff like that, so I just gotta take the little plastic clips off like this, and it'll be done. But the whole engine harness is out. I did want to take this out just in case of the rain, because I did take off some of the seals, stuff like that. I don't want it to get wet, even though I don't care about it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, so I'm gonna just take care of it like it's still good, which it is still good, but you know what I'm saying. But that's the end of the video. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. What you think about the video?